In today's video, we will talk about the scientist Albert Einstein, one of the best scientists and physicists throughout history. Get a cup of coffee or your favorite drink, and let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Tavagir, Albert Einstein, a detailed biography. Early life and education. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879. In Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. He grew up in a middle-class Jewish family. His father, Hermann Einstein, was an engineer and entrepreneur, and his mother, Pauline Koch, was a homemaker with a passion for music. In 1880, the family moved to Munich, where his father and uncle co-founded an electrical equipment company. Einstein displayed an early curiosity for science and mathematics, but struggled in the rigid and authoritarian education system. At age 5, Einstein's fascination with science began when his father gave him a magnetic compass, sparking questions about the invisible forces in nature. He later credited this experience as an early influence on his scientific career. By the time he was 12, he had independently studied advanced mathematics, including Euclidean geometry and calculus. In 1894, his family moved to Italy, leaving him behind to finish his schooling in Munich. Einstein later left school without a diploma and joined his family in Milan. To continue his education, he applied to the Swiss Federal Polytechnics in Zurich in 1895, but failed the entrance exam, excelling only in math and physics. After further preparation at the Aachen Tonal School in Aarau, Switzerland, he enrolled in the Polytechnic in 1896, and graduated in 1900 with a teaching diploma in physics and mathematics. Early career and personal life, Einstein struggled to find a teaching position after graduation, eventually taking a job as a patent examiner at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern in 1902. This job provided financial stability and allowed him ample free time for his scientific work. In 1903, he married Mileva Maric, a fellow physics student. The couple had 2 sons, Hans Albert and Eduard, but their marriage ended in divorce in 1919. Later that year, Einstein married his cousin, Elsa Lowenthal. Major achievements and discoveries. Einstein's most productive period came during the Kerner Annus Mirabilis, miracle year of 1905, during which he published 4 groundbreaking papers in the journal Annalen der Physik. These papers revolutionized physics. 1. Photoelectric effect. He explained how light can behave as both a particle and a wave, introducing the concept of light quanta, later called photons. This work laid the foundation for quantum theory and earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. 2. Brownian motion. He provided a theoretical explanation for the random movement of particles in a fluid, offering evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. 3rd, special theory of relativity. He introduced the concept that time and space are relative to the observer, fundamentally altering the understanding of motion and physics. The famous equation E equals mc squared, E2, which relates mass and energy, emerged from this work. 4th, mass-energy equivalence. He showed that mass could be converted into energy, a principle later central to nuclear physics. In 1915, Einstein completed his general theory of relativity, which provided a new understanding of gravity. This theory was spectacularly confirmed in 1919 during a solar eclipse, when scientists observed the bending of starlight by the sun's gravity, as Einstein had predicted. This discovery catapulted him to global fame. Lectures and academic positions. Einstein held several academic positions. Lecturer at the University of Bern. 1908. Professor at the University of Zurich. 1909. Chair of Theoretical Physics at the Karl Ferdinand University in Prague. 1911 to 1912. Director of the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physics in Berlin. 1914 to 1933. He also became a member of the Prussian Academy of Sciences. In 1914, during the 1920s, Einstein traveled widely, giving lectures across Europe, the United States, and Asia, and became a vocal advocate for international cooperation, disarmament, and Zionism. Later life and legacy. In 1933, with the rise of the Nazi regime in Germany, Einstein emigrated to the United States and accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. He became a U.S. citizen in 1940. Einstein spent his later years advocating for peace, civil rights, and nuclear disarmament. He famously wrote a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1939, warning of Germany's potential development of nuclear weapons, which led to the Manhattan Project. Despite his immense contributions to physics, Einstein spent the latter part of his career trying to develop a unified field theory to combine gravity and electromagnetism, but was unsuccessful. He died on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey, at the age of 76, leaving behind a profound legacy that continues to influence science and society. Legacy and honors. Einstein's name has become synonymous with genius and creativity. His theories form the foundation of modern physics and cosmology. The Albert Einstein Medal and various institutions, including the Einstein Observatory and Einstein College of Medicine, honor his legacy. In popular culture, Einstein is remembered as a symbol of intellectual brilliance and humanity. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to continue publishing more stories and historical figures, and leave a comment about what you want us to talk about in the next episode.